subscribe to our channel.
6 Cough remedies for children. Coughing is a common symptom of colds and flus, which does not become serious most of the time and can be controlled with homemade cough remedies. We all know that colds and flus are more common in cold climates, because it's during this time that your immune system weakens and is exposed to contracting a large amount of viruses and bacteria that can affect the body. In the case of children, it is very important to see a pediatrician and follow their recommendations to fight colds as well as that annoying cough. You can also rely on homemade cough remedies, which are supported by scientists that have proven that they can significantly relieve the symptoms. What causes coughing? Although we mentioned that most of the time coughing is a symptom of flus and colds, it does not always mean it is caused by this. Coughing happens when viruses inflame and irritate the upper respiratory tracts and cause mucus most of the time. Coughing can be an obvious sign of a cold, an allergy, or a disease that requires more care like bronchitis, pneumonia, asthma, or lung cancer. It can appear subtly in children and tends to last for 4 weeks. In any case, as annoying as it may be, we don't recommend stopping the cough as soon as possible because it is a natural manifestation of the body to clear out the respiratory paths and get rid of microbes, dust, chemicals, or other irritants. To relieve coughing in children, there are various homemade remedies that can be a lot of help, because it also provides relief, as well as a pleasant flavor that they will definitely not say no to. 1. Chicken soup. This great food for children goes beyond a simple grandmother's recipe. Chicken soup has become popular because it is very good for relieving cold symptoms, including coughing. According to researchers at the Medical Center of the University of Nebraska, iron and zinc contained in chicken broth help accelerate the recovery process of severe cough, especially the ones that contain phlegm. 2. Vicks VapoRub. The classic Vicks VapoRub ointment is a popular remedy to relieve coughing and other common cold symptoms. Before your child goes to sleep, apply Vicks VapoRub on the soles of their feet and put socks on. You can also massage it on their chest and back to boost their effects. They say that this ointment is safe for children and babies, but it is great to ask a pediatrician in any case. 3. Honey and lemon. These 2 ingredients are great for strengthening the immune system and fighting cough. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and honey is an excellent natural antibiotic. To make this remedy, mix a good amount of lemon juice with bee honey and take a few tablespoons a day. 4. Hot chocolate. A study carried out by Imperial College London, in the United Kingdom, found that chocolate contains an essential component called theobromine, which has the ability to relieve persistent coughing in children after a viral infection. 5. Marshmallows. This is a delicious homemade remedy which can be a huge help and children will love it. Add a handful of marshmallows to a glass of hot milk and wait for them to melt. Drink before going to bed. 6. Banana cream. This delicious banana cream is tasty, healthy, and very nutritious. Its delicious flavor makes it a favorite cough remedy for children, and we assure you that you will have no problem making them eat it. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.